This is Vanessa Joy with Adorama TV, and today we are playing with some fun gels and these A1Xs. I decided to shoot up here pretty much in the dark in my studio, and what I really want to do is add a pop of color to these photographs with these gels. These are the magnet gels and have lots of colors. So let's do red and blue and make purple and see what happens. All right, we'll make your main light red. Now make your main light blue. Pop that gel on, and ideally what I do with this is this just becomes kind of more of a fill light on this side. Well, that is her main light, and then somewhere in there it'll mix and create a little bit of purple. I think. I've never done this. This is now the party house, guys. Oh. Make crazy faces. Yeah. Cute. Do you have headphones? Can you borrow his headphones?
Oh, I was like, what's happening?
Yeah, just put them over, like pretend like you're DJing. Yeah, yes, yes, perfect. Oh, I love it. Let's do that. Nice. I think we got it. I'm good. We got so much fun stuff. I love it when we get fun stuff. Wait, we have canned fog, atmosphere, aerosol. What were we thinking? Exactly. All right, go ahead, spray it up. We put the light behind so we can actually see the smoke. Just go, keep spraying. So we're turning off the lights so we can see more of the smoke, and this is working perfectly. So lowering my main light, but still keeping it on, so we get just a kiss of light. Cute, more up. Nice, I think we got it, and we're all choking. Just some fun stuff. We just turned my light and airy studio into like a rave.
Not the first time.
I like it. Before we jump into this, make sure that you download my free posing inspiration guide. We could all use some inspiration. Get that in the link below with lots of ideas on how to pose groups and individuals. These are my absolute favorite photos from the shoot, and to be honest, I have never edited photos like this before, so this is going to be a fun experiment for both you and I. I definitely wanted to get into the color grading tool, which is one of the newer tools in Lightroom. And I noticed that anything that I moved around in color or in the highlights especially made a huge difference and very easily potentially blew out, especially in the nose here, blew out some of the parts of where the two colors were meeting. So I knew I had to be careful about that, or well, I learned I had to be careful about that. I have to say, coming through here, it was so tempting just to play with all of the light because there's so much going on and there's so much that you can do when you warm it all the way up or cool it all the way down. But ultimately, I decided to stick with what came out of camera for the most part. I did mess around with a little bit of black and white, and I stuck with that Joyfully Simple preset sort of, and then adapted. Like I said, I've never shot like this before. I've never edited photos like this before. So it was really a fun experiment in just getting the best look out of these photos. When it came to the smoke in the background, definitely had to do a little bit of highlight recovery. I did find that it was fun in these photos being able to make some of the background go more orange versus the pink. It was just a really fun mix of colors, and I had a lot of fun doing it. One thing I noticed when shooting like this, it shows every flaw of the skin. So I went through, did skin retouching, really just skin smoothing with my brush, and I liked the results, and it helped the lighting be a little bit more forgiving. So here are all of my favorite photos from this shoot. I hope you had fun. And that is it for Club VJ. I hope you had fun. We did, and my light and airy studio is now a rave, and it's super smoky in here.